Hi guys, this is Software here, and firstly let me give you a very big thank you for watching this video, for giving your precious time to watch this video and to watch this MultiSociFit review video. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and inside this dashboard there are some videos given, some short videos given. These are the previously done projects basically, and I will be showing you this product from inside this video. Let me close this tab. Okay, so this is the sorry, I have opened up a wrong page. For this is not the page of this product. So I will be giving also some good bonuses with this product. That is my second purpose, also to show you my bonuses, kind of giving you 10 software with the front end product that will be given you totally free once you have purchased this product from my website. Okay, so I will be clearing the bonus part on the later part of the video, but let me start with the product now. So this is the product dashboard, and let me give you a very brief detail about this product. So this product is all about giving you 20 plus social media platforms, and just posting your post just via one click. You can post your posts within that 20 plus social medias. Okay, so this is the fundamental thing of this tool, and there are some additional features also given inside it, like image editor, like trending content finder. There, that is a very good and impressive feature. Okay, so let me start with the first integration feature. So this is the dashboard, and let me click on the integration feature. So inside this integration, I will suggest you to go through the tutorials first inside the training, then you should try it. Okay, so after going through the training, you can go to the second option, the integration feature. Inside that, you can click on add new integration. Once you have clicked on it, it will show you 20 plus integrations. Okay, like all are the websites, all are the stuffs given here. You can put here from Facebook to every popular places are given here. You can see social handles like Facebook, like Twitter, Blogger, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. All of them are popular, and you can put it, you can integrate it for your just you're posting your content inside one click. You should integrate all of your these 20s. Okay, so after that, you can click on create and post. So inside title, let me put it any random title, and I want to publish it inside my Twitter. Okay, you can select more than one social media handles. Kind of, this is the main feature of this tool, that you can click within one click. You can just post your sorry if I am talking rubbish. You can obviously do more than one, because this is the main feature of this tool. You can put here 20 plus social media handles once you have integrated your social media handles. Okay, so for this video purpose, let me just click on this Twitter, and you can choose any file. Like, let me put this for these post images. So this will come up here. It has come here, and let me put here any random post description, and you can schedule it. Okay, so once you have scheduled it, then it will be usable for inside your calendar section. So this calendar also given here. I will show you a little bit later. So let me click on submit. Once I have clicked on submit, you can see that it has come here, and once I have clicked on the main post, it will show me that I have published here. I have published inside my Twitter. You can see it is just published 13 seconds ago, and I have published it just now. So the next option is like trending content finder. So you can find any trending content from these platforms, like from YouTube, from Dailymotion, from Twitter, from Tumblr, from Pixabay, and Giphy, maybe Giphy or Pinterest. Okay, let me put here YouTube, and just let it be like make money online. This is a good stuff also. So let me click on submit. So it is showing me the 10 ways to make money online legitly, in legit ways, or it is showing me how to make money online. Like, it is a Hindi video, and there are more videos also. Okay, there will be more videos. So this is the next button. This is not working right now. I don't know why. Let me put here another keyword. Okay, let me put here just dog here. Just see if it works. So inside dog, it is showing me a short film that is the most trending stuff inside this video, and you can put its description, or you can post it inside your social medias. And these are the videos also. Sorry, So these are the videos also for dogs, and this is a post schedule feature. You can schedule your any post inside it. Once I have clicked on the schedule feature, from that place, as I have already shown you, that will be shown up here, and if you want you can schedule any of your post directly from here. Okay, so this is the image editor feature. After that, this is the image editor feature. This is a very basic image editor. You can do anything of image, like not like advanced or expert. You can do any primary editing inside this tool, and this is the training, and these are the upsells. If you want to purchase the upgrade version, you can upgrade it, okay, from this place. Okay, so this was the product overview, and let me now show you the review, the costings, the upsells, and most importantly my bonuses. Okay, so these are the ratings inside feature and facilities. It has got 98%, inside performance 99, inside ease of use 96, value for money 96, and market hits 94%. So overall it has got 9.7 out of 10, which is an extraordinary performance. And also I never consider market hits inside this overall section. So you can see the price. This product costs only 17 bucks for a hugely time saving product. This kind of price is very cheap, cause you can just plan your upcoming months posts and something like that. You can just via just one click you can just instantly go through, you can just penetrate inside 20 plus social medias via just one click. So this is the power of this tool, and this is the launch period from 2 to 6th. It is launching inside February. You should get it inside this period to get the best offer, to get the best bonuses also. So they are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. So this is totally scrutinized by Warrior Plus. You should have nothing to worry inside this guarantee period. You will be refunded, okay, if there is any issue. So you can remember this exact time. This is the New York time, EST 10 AM. You can remember the time inside 2nd February. And this is the button which can redirect you to the product, and you will be redirected to this page via the video description link given below. So this is the definition of this product, and these are the key features of this tool, and these are the platforms and some features, more features also. So this is the exact video, and this is the demo video. Okay, so this is the owner guy, and in my word, this is a huge time saving tool, and it is also additionally giving you the trending content feature, which makes it totally justified for this price. And I recommend it to purchase it any content creator, video content creator, advertiser, like any blog creator, okay, posts creator, okay, something like that. And these are the sales funnel. You can go through this if you want to via visiting this page. I don't want to make the video more and more lengthy. Okay, it is already becoming lengthy, and this is pretty deep. I want you to visit this page. So this is a bonus, and let me now clear you the bonus part. So if you purchase the product, these bonuses will come to you by default with this product. Okay, so these are the 10 softwares, and also there will be more and more softwares. I have gone through the vendors authority. I have contacted the vendors via email, and they told me that there will be huge bonus package will be given to you with this product. From wherever you purchase it, no matter from wherever you purchase it, they will be giving you so many huge bonuses with this product by default. Okay, so these 10 softwares are by default bonuses. You can check out after purchasing this tool from this website also, because if you purchase it from my website, you will be given bonus number 1, 4 case studies, live case studies that will be helping you to grow more online if you purchase any upsell of this tool from my website, and that is huge. Okay, let me show you. You will be given more softwares, kind of 200 plus softwares will be given to you, and plugins, high quality graphics, images, doodle character images, and also more and more 100 plus products with resell rights. You will be given totally free from this website, from my website. Okay, so that was the product overview, and that was my second main purpose, to show you the product, and I have cleared you the product now. That was my first main purpose. And after purchasing the product, you can go through this blue button. This blue button will redirect you to the bonuses. Okay, so this button will be given to you inside your Warrior Plus purchase history option. Okay, so inside your account. So after purchasing it, that will only be happen. Okay, so that was the product overview and also the bonuses overview. I am signing out for the video now, so I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.